Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 5.4, question 39. This question is a creative question. Now I will solve this question. Dear students, let us start. Concentrate here everyone. Dear students, at first I will read the stream. Here are three algebraic expressions given. Algebraic expressions are: first expression x square minus 3x minus 10. Another expression, second expression is x cube plus 6x square plus 8x. And the third expression is x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 14x square. These are three algebraic expressions given. Now first question, determine the square of 3x minus 2y plus z. We have to do the square of this expression 3x minus 2y plus z. Then question B, determine HCF of first and second expressions. Determine HCF of first and second expressions. Question C, determine LCM of the three expressions. It means three expressions are given, we have to find their LCM. Dear students, question A is very simple question. We have to do the square of 3x minus 2y plus z. Dear students, you know how to do the square. To do the square, we know a formula, that is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We know another formula, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The students, you know these two formulas to do the square. Observe that here are two terms, but in this expression there are three terms. How can we solve that? We can solve this problem by taking or considering first two term as first term a. If we take this as a, we can do the square easily. We have another formula that is known as extended formula of square, that is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Dear students, we can solve this problem by using the third formula also, but I will solve the problem using the first formula. Okay, let us start. Square of 3x minus 2y plus z. Dear students, it means that we have to do the square 3x minus 2y plus z whole square. As I have written square of, so I have to give the whole square here. Now, dear students, when you will see three terms are given in an expression and you have to do the square, then always you will consider the first two terms as the first term a and consider the third term as b. We know the formula a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, as here is plus in the middle. So we can use this formula here. A square means 3x minus 2y whole square plus 2. A means 3x minus 2y. B means z. 2ab plus b square. B square means z square. B square means z square. Now, the students, observe this term Here 3x minus 2y whole square. So we have to again use the formula here, a minus b whole square. Consider 3x as a and 2y as b. So we need the formula a minus b whole square. It means that a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write here 3x whole square means a square minus 2, a means 3x, b means 2y plus b square means 2y whole square. Then we need to go to the next step. Here 2 into 3x minus 2y into z. If we multiply 2 and z, we will get 2z. Then write here 3x minus 2y. Now z square. Now 3x whole square means 9x square minus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, x y plus 2y whole square means 4y square, 4y square plus, now multiply 2 3s are 6, zx, now multiply, plus and minus will be minus, 2 2s are 4, yz, now last term z. Dear students, if you want you can write the answer here, but I will arrange here 9x square plus 4y square plus z square. Now minus 12xy left and minus 4yz left plus 6zx left. So we can say our required square of the given term is this. So we can write the answer. Answer is 9x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 12xy minus 4yz plus 6zx. I have done question A. Now I have to go to question B. Question B is determine the HCF of first and second expression. Dear students, look at the stream. What is the first expression? To solve B, we need to go to the first expression. Our first expression is x square minus 3x minus 10. So we can write given first expression x square minus 3x minus 10. This is our first expression. At first factorize this expression. Dear students, this is a middle term. We can factorize this in this way. 10 factorize to 5. So we can relate 5 and 2. If we write 5x negative and 2x positive, sum of these two will be minus 3x. And product of 5 and 2 is 10. So we can take x common here, x minus 5 plus take 2s common, x minus 5 remains. Now x minus 5 take as common, then x plus 2 will be here. This is the factorization of first expression. Now I have to factorize the second expression. So I have to write and second expression. Second expression is given here, x cube plus 6x square plus 8x. So we can write here x cube plus 6x square plus 8x. Dear students, at first we can take x as common from all the terms. X square plus 6x plus 8 remains. Now do the middle term in this term here, x. Now we can write here 8, 2, 4, again 2, 2. So we can relate 2 2s are 4 and here is 2. So if we relate 4x plus 2x. In this way we can factorize. So we can take x as common, x plus 4 plus 2 as common, x plus 4. Now take x plus 4 as common, x plus 2 remains. It means that this is the factorization of second expression. I have done the second expression here. Now I can do the HCF. Therefore, the HCF of first and second expression. Dear students, notice here, first expression is x plus 5, x minus 5 and x plus 2. Second expression, that is x into x plus 4 into x plus 2. As it is HCF, it means that you have to take only the common factors, Here common factor, only one common factor here, that is x plus 2. Here is also x plus 2. So we can write here x plus 2. So our required HCF is x plus 2. Now go to question C. Dear students, question C is determine LCM of the three expressions. Determine LCM of the three expressions. It means that at first we have to factorize the three expressions, then we have to do the LCM. So we can write from B we get, as I have factorized first expression and second expression in B, I can take from B. From B we get first expression x minus 5 x plus 2 and second expression I can take from B, x into x plus 4 into x plus 2. Now I have to factorize the third expression. What is the third expression here? X to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 14 x square. X to the power 4, this is minus x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 14 x square. Third expression x to the power 4 minus 5x cube minus 14 x square. The students take x square as common. Take x square as common. X square minus 5x minus 14. Then do the middle term here, x square minus 7x. We can write 14 in this way, 2, 7. Relate 7 and 2, you will get 5. 7x is negative here, 2x is positive here, minus 14. Then x square, we can take x as common, x minus 7 will get here, and then we can take plus 2 as common, x minus 7. Then we can write here x square, x minus 7 as common, then remaining x plus 2. Dear students, you have seen that first expression is this, second expression is this, and third expression is this. Now we have to do the LCM. So we can write here the LCM. The LCM of the three expressions. The students, at first take both the factors of first expression, x minus 5 and x minus 2. Then match with the second expression. We have taken x plus 2. So no need to take x plus 2 again. So no need to take x plus 2 again. Just we have to take x and x plus 4. So we are taking x and x plus 4. Now see the last expression here. Here last expression is x square into x minus 7 into x plus 2. X plus 2 is taken here. So no need to take x plus 2 again, as I have taken only x and here is x square. So we need to take another x. So we can take here again x, and then x minus 7 remaining, we can write here x minus 7. You can use the another method also. Just you can observe and at first take where is x is the highest index of x. Only x here. In the first expression there is no extra x. Here is x, here is x square. So you can take directly x square. Then you can take the common x plus 2. Then you can take the remaining expressions also. You can write in this way also. So from this we will get x square, x and x will be x square, and x plus 2 is common here, then x plus 4, x minus 5 and x minus 7. Dear students, this is our required LCM. This is our required LCM. You can do the LCM in another method. I have said the method is at first you can take x square. LCM I am showing in short again. At first we can take x square. Then we can take the common factor here in all the terms. The common factor is x plus 2. Then take the remaining factors. Here is x minus 5 in the first expression, and in the second expression remaining is x plus 4. And in the third expression, that is x minus 7 remaining here, x minus 7. So both are same. The students, you can take in any way you can do. So I think you have understood our today's topic. Do this question as your homework in your assigned homework copy and submit your homework in the next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.